Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm just going to give a quick analysis and feedback of my sketches for the last one this evening. I'm starting to get really quite tired, but I'm also really happy with the end results from today. This one, I wanted to try and capture this one because it was a really interesting pose that she was pulling, and also she just had a really distinct look. This one took 3.5 minutes, this one took 2.5 minutes, and this one took 1.5 minutes. So they did decrease by a minute per sketch, which I was quite surprised at. I used geometric and observational methods along with good speed and the feedback loop, which if you're new here, then please go further back into the videos. You'll hopefully come across more in-depth and informative videos where I describe the methods that I use. I have used them for maybe a few months now, but really honing it in the last couple of 3 weeks, I think it is now. So this is sketch number 100 and must be 120 now. So yeah, I've managed to get a lot of sketches in the last couple of weeks, and it has allowed me to create a more effective and efficient way of sketching, getting the fundamentals and foundational level of sketching and art, which is proportions and structure, layout, basically allowing you to go ahead and create good pieces of artwork in future date. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with my progress this week, and I hope you guys can see it too. If you're utilising these methods, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. And to all the subscribers, you guys are awesome. Bye!